Hello, we're visiting with Dr. Robert Abel Jr. He is an eye care specialist. I wanted to ask you, Dr. Abel, for the viewers, what are some of the signs and the symptoms of macular degeneration, or AMD?
Well, macular degeneration is very subtle because it doesn't happen all at once like a stroke. It's a gradual deterioration. So what people notice is their vision isn't so sharp. And primarily it's near vision. Macular degeneration starts affecting near vision much more than distance, which is less specific. People with cataracts, on the other hand, have more problem with signs down the road than they do with small print. So one of the clues is that as reading is getting worse, time for that exam to check it out, because you may be developing this issue. If it continues to develop, you will have mottling of the image in the center of your vision, not the peripheral area, but the center of your vision, and you can actually lose central vision, like having a finger right in front of the center view of the eyes. Fortunately, it's not symmetrical and doesn't happen in both eyes at the same time, but nonetheless, when people notice early changes in vision, distortion and jumping of issues, blurring of vision, centrally clouding, seeing better on the sides, get an exam. In fact, that's where routine eye exams help. Also, people of Northern European lineage and a fair complexion and blue and light-colored eyes are much more likely to do it. So you got to wear your sunglasses and take your lutein for protection. Be conscious.
Are women more affected by this than men?
Women are more affected because of a number of reasons, one of which is they give birth to children and donate important essential items to their children. And if they don't make it up, they are more affected. They also have a different distribution of body fat than do men. And somehow, lutein also is incorporated into adipose tissue, into body fat.
So it would be
so
stored
some of
there?
it is stored elsewhere and not in the vital structures.
So when women give birth, it's in the breast milk, the lutein, and in the...
It's in the breast milk, and it's in the development of the child itself. Nature is very interested in seeing new generations develop and sort of incorporates the best components of health into the child's body. And if the mother is not ingesting it, then she's going to be donating it actively from her own body.
Plus, it's stored in adipose tissue.
As well as the liver.
So that's why women are more at risk.
That's right.
Well, thank you for that information, Dr. Abel.
You're welcome.